Good morning, friends. Let me introduce myself. I'm the soul of Peerless Biotech talking to you. This is the voice of Peerless. This is the fourth episode of the Back to Basics series. Thank you for your love and support till date. आपके प्यार और समर्थन के लिए धन्यवाद. We reminded you of the 5 do's in our last episode. Now, let me come to the 5 don'ts. Don't number 1. Don't talk more than necessary. Some of us feel we need to talk a lot if we are in the sales profession. Gone are those days when sales professionals were required to talk a lot. In today's world, you have to listen and observe carefully if you want to be successful in the sales profession. Of course, you have to speak, but you have to speak only when it is appropriate, and you should not speak more than necessary. When you speak, what you speak and how you speak are important. These 3 things can make your career and can also mar your career. आप कब बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं और कैसे बोलते हैं, ये तीनों बातें महत्वपूर्ण हैं. ये 3 बातें आपका करियर बना भी सकती हैं और बिगाड़ भी सकती हैं. Listening, observing and speaking are 3 very important skills which you should master to become a successful sales professional. Don't number 2. Don't be negative. Be positive. Don't be negative. Be the ever bright source of positive energy and success will flow to you. आप अगर सदैव सकारात्मक ऊर्जा फैलाएंगे तो सफलता आपकी तरफ अपने आप प्रभावित होगी. To be a successful sales professional, optimism should be a part of your attitude and personality. You should keep taking the necessary decisions and actions promptly and patiently hoping for the positive results. If you work patiently, hoping for positive results, then you will surely get positive results. यदि आप सकारात्मक परिणाम की आशा रखते हुए धैर्यपूर्वक काम करेंगे, तो आपको सकारात्मक परिणाम जरूर मिलेंगे. Don't number 3. Don't be too pushy or aggressive. As a sales professional, it is your responsibility to keep extending the necessary support, service, and guidance to your prospective customer. To buy or not to buy from you is the decision of your prospective customer. When you lose patience and become too pushy and aggressive, you significantly reduce your chances of success. जब आप धैर्य खो देते हैं और बहुत ज्यादा आक्रामक हो जाते हैं, तो आप अपनी सफलता की संभावना बहुत कम कर देते हैं. The one who strikes the right balance between patience and aggression emerges as the winner. Don't number 4. Don't get into an argument. Avoid arguments at any cost. This is the cardinal truth. The one who doesn't know how to avoid an argument is unlikely to succeed in the sales profession. Avoid argument, even if you are 100% sure to win the argument. There's a reason for it. When you win an argument, you lose a friend. And of course, when you lose an argument, you lose your face. जब आप कोई बहस जीतते हैं तो आप एक दोस्त खो देते हैं, और जब आप कोई बहस हारते हैं तो आप अपना सम्मान खो देते हैं. Don't number 5. Don't become irrelevant. Many sales professionals remain too busy with today's customers, today's opportunities, today's issues, and today's responsibilities. They don't see the future that is approaching. They don't upgrade themselves. They don't learn new skills. They don't update themselves with the latest technologies. They don't keep themselves future ready. And then they become irrelevant. Some of them blame their company and their bosses when they become irrelevant and outdated. उनमें से कुछ जो निकम्मे और पुराने हो जाते हैं, वो अपनी कंपनी और अपने बॉस को दोष देते हैं. You have to realize this world keeps changing rapidly. If you want to remain a performer for a long time, then it is your responsibility to upgrade yourself, learn new skills, and update yourself with the latest technologies. Always remain relevant. If you follow these 5 do's, do number 1, do keep your commitments. Do number 2, do protect the interest of all the stakeholders. Do number 3, do keep your transactions simple, straightforward, and transparent. Do number 4, do take the responsibility. Do number 5, Do build a network of well wishers, friends, supporters, and fans. And 5 don'ts, then your chances of success in your career will go up significantly. So let us consciously follow these do's and don'ts. In the end, let me remind you the most important point from the previous episode. Always remember, your network decides your net worth. If you want a big net worth, then you have to build a strong network. यदि आप बड़ी नेट वर्थ चाहते हैं तो आपको एक मजबूत नेटवर्क बनाना होगा. Building a network is a never-ending, continuous process. The simplest way to build a network is to give, give and give. नेटवर्क बनाना एक कभी ना खत्म होने वाली प्रक्रिया है. नेटवर्क बनाने का सबसे सरल तरीका है देना, देना और देना. Give your time, give your effort, use your money, share your knowledge. Allow others to use your skills for their benefit, and your network will keep expanding in all directions. If you keep doing the right things to expand your network, then a stage will come when you will be the superstar in your network and you will have a base of fans following you. Dear friends, grow well and have ambition to build your fan following in the industry. Finally, thank you for your support to this series, Back to Basics. In this series, we don't have to tell you anything new. We just remind you of those things which you already know. We will keep bringing more videos to you on such relevant topics. Do remember, together, we have to take our Indian IVD industry to the next level. It is our responsibility. See you soon once again. Till then, take good care of yourself and keep learning, keep growing.